Hey y'all, it's your girl Brittany here, aka Simone Protective Styles, if you are watching this video. So today I will be creating Gypsy Locs, aka Baja Locs, Bohemian goddess locks with human hair pieces in between, whatever you want to call it. I will be creating that look today. I was gonna launch a class, but I was like, you know what, I'm not going to do the class anymore, and I'm just going to bring my video here to YouTube and show you guys that way. I want to show y'all, so I get my hair, I don't have a vendor or anything right now, so I usually will order my hair from Amazon, or I will go to the beauty supply store and get the hair from there. So I went to the beauty supply store, and this is the hair that I'm using. This is 100% virgin human hair. You need 2 bundles. If somebody wants extra curls, you may need 3 or 4, but make sure you get that deposit up front if they want extra curls, because it's going to cost more money. My deposit for my Baja Locs, Gypsy Locs, or whatever is $120, but if they do want something, they do want to do extra curls or whatever, I will, you know, text them and say, hey, I see you booked extra curls. It's going to be an additional $50 because these bundles, they add up, and you just want to make sure that the client knows that. Okay, so 2 bundles, and what I'm about to go do is I like to wash my bundles first before I put them in my client's hair. So I'm gonna wash them because, like, the curls, sometimes having it like curly like this is kind of hard to put the bundles in, if that makes sense, like braid them in for me. But I also just like to wash it and get all the chemicals out because you don't want your client hair to be itching. So let's get right into it.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away.
Okay, y'all, so this is how your deep wave bundles should look once you wash them, because before I turn this blow dryer on, sometimes you can use wet hair and put it in there, because sometimes wet hair is easier to grip, especially when it's extensions and they've been cut off the weft. So if you want to try wet, you definitely can, because I have done that, because you're going to wet it and stuff anyway at the end once you're done. So today I will be using, how many packs I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. She's getting waist length. So I'm going to be using 5 bags of the X-Pression Twist Up Springy Afro Twist 24 inches. Okay. This is the fluffed hair. And I'm going to be using this for the base and to also wrap with. So I'm going to be twisting with it and also wrapping with it. Okay. And remember, 5 bags. I'll be sure to have everything down in the description below.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on, because I realize I gotta hate myself, and that's all I gotta do. That's what I found out.
No, what?
Well, he actually just got to be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I gotta do. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need. end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, you miss. I said I dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now shorty grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, don't worry about it, we just one quick step, one quick step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. You're tryna leave this. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. You're tryna leave this. I said I'll dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You're tryna leave. Oh, I said I'll dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, you can understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all will make the bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute streets to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, flip, baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to walk in the body. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you right. Take me for a ride. Show me what's right. Know it's been a while, but I wanna hug you right. I wanna drive you crazy. It's time to bed. Fucking it up like Gypsy days. Ain't no way for him but to me. Don't be better than that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the islands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take me 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a gate for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to walk in the body. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me what's up, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna hug you right. Oh yeah, you know you try one time. Baby, bring it to me, try one night. No one nigga with just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need it to me, baby, right on time. Baby, bring it to me, try one night. I'm putting it overtime and overdrive.
Give me low, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's mine, and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long.